Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically in this device it is really easy to change the language. We do not have to reorder the languages, etc. Just find the language and tap on it. And as you can see, actually immediately the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it again. Just tap on it, find English or any other language of course, tap on it, and as you can see we've got English applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.